Good afternoon. We're gonna go ahead and make our Reese's peanut butter old fashioned. So we're gonna grab our citrus distiller peanut butter whiskey, which is amazing. We're gonna do 2 ounces of whiskey. Smell that peanut butter all the way over here. 4 dashes of your favorite chocolate bitters. And we're gonna do half an ounce of strawberry simple syrup. Now what you do is that you infuse your strawberries on your simple syrup, let them sit for a couple of days, and then you save a step. Add some ice, stir, make sure you incorporate the flavors. And there we have it. Reese's Peanut Butter Old Fashioned. Cheers.